Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly candidate for Cardiff West, and I'm in my way into the office right now to campaign to get elected for Plaid Cymru for Cardiff West. Some people have said to me about the videos that I'm doing, about the minutest detail. Some of them have been about getting drains cleared, getting gardens cleared. The Ida one was a great result, getting Ida's lease extended. So there's lots of things that I'm putting out there now to show people exactly how I've done my job for the last 8 years really as a county councillor. But I think mainly across the boards what I'm trying to show is that I believe in a thing called society. We're all responsible for each other, we can all help each other. It's a very, very simple philosophy of life, of a virtuous circle more than anything else. And I think what is really lacking in politics, especially in Cardiff West, is somebody who's elected for people and by people to be their voice and to get involved in the nitty-gritty, in the campaigns in Caira, such as the landfill, doing what we can. And what I would pledge is that as an AM for Cardiff West, as a Plaid Cymru AM, the whole office over the period of the Assembly would be used for you and the community, for Cardiff West and everyone that lives here. And no problem would be too small, no problem would be too big. We'd have 3 full-time staff, and we could really do a lot of good things. At the minute we're struggling. The backlog is quite enormous really, so apologies if you're waiting a little bit longer than you'd like to for me to get in touch with you. But one other thing, finally, a plug: get involved, help us out. Come to 56 Cowbridge Road East in the office, call in and volunteer. We've got 6 weeks to change Cardiff and to change Wales, so let's do it. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.